DJI has just dropped a game-changing upgrade to one of their most popular compact drones. Say hello to the DJI Neo 2. If you thought the original Neo was impressive, wait until you hear about the shocking upgrades packed into this new model. We're talking about a 1-inch CMOS sensor for 5.4K video, next-level AI-powered tracking, 42-minute flight time, 360-degree obstacle avoidance, and a sleek new design that's lighter, faster, and smarter than ever. And in this video, we're diving into everything you need to know, from the bold new design and major camera improvements to flight performance, battery life, safety, and pricing, so you can see why the Neo 2 might just be the best compact drone of the year. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. Let's take off and explore what makes the DJI Neo 2 such a huge leap forward over the original. The world of compact drones just got a serious shakeup with the arrival of the DJI Neo 2, the highly anticipated successor to the original Neo that captured the attention of beginners, hobbyists, and even professional pilots looking for a portable yet powerful aerial companion. DJI has a reputation for pushing boundaries with every new release, and with the Neo 2, the company has once again raised the bar, delivering shocking upgrades that make this drone not just an evolution of the first Neo, but a genuine leap forward for the entire ultra-compact drone category. The original Neo was known for its ease of use, lightweight build, and beginner-friendly price point. It quickly became a favorite for travelers, vloggers, and casual drone pilots who wanted a simple yet reliable way to capture beautiful aerial footage without dealing with bulky gear or steep learning curves. However, it also came with some compromises, such as limited flight time, modest camera specs, and basic stabilization, that left advanced users wanting more. DJI clearly listened to that feedback, and the Neo 2 has addressed those shortcomings with dramatic improvements in nearly every area, making it one of the most exciting compact drone launches in recent memory. Right out of the box, the Neo 2 makes an impression with its sleek, re-engineered body. DJI has maintained the lightweight, foldable design that made the original Neo so portable, but the new model feels more refined and professional. The materials have been upgraded to a more durable composite blend that not only improves toughness but also reduces overall weight slightly, giving the Neo 2 a sturdier yet more agile feel in flight. The arms fold more smoothly with reinforced hinges designed to last through repeated use, while the new matte finish shell reduces glare and fingerprints, maintaining that premium look even after heavy use. DJI has also improved the aerodynamic profile, reducing drag and improving overall flight stability, especially in windy conditions. A redesigned front LED system now provides brighter orientation lights, improving visibility during early morning or sunset flights, a subtle but useful upgrade for enthusiasts who enjoy flying in varying light conditions. Perhaps the most jaw-dropping improvement on the Neo 2 is its all-new camera system. DJI has stepped things up with a 1-inch CMOS sensor, a significant leap over the smaller sensor in the original Neo. This larger sensor allows the Neo 2 to capture stunning 5.4K video at up to 60 frames per second and 4K video at up to 120 frames per second, delivering professional-level image quality in a tiny, ultra-portable drone. The still photo capabilities are equally impressive, with the camera now offering 48-megapixel RAW photos, wider dynamic range, and improved low-light performance. Thanks to the new f/1.8 aperture lens, night shot